I got my water. It is boiling hot. That's what we are doing. We are doing this roast. I don't know. I'll put it all in. Looks just enough. How do you like your noodles? Those are called noodles, rigatoni. See? I put my rigatoni in, and I need my tomatoes in as well. And I'll add some water. Okay, we wait. Sometimes you cover, sometimes you don't. I'll be adding something special today. I got my onion. Let's go. Alrighty. I got my rigatoni and my tomatoes. And we are frying good food. I put my onions in because we're gonna need the flavor. Obviously, no garlic left behind. Okay, we're gonna let it cook down, and then we got our rigatoni in here. I'll pick out my tomatoes, put them aside. Oh boy, those are huge. Can I? You can, Nana. Okay, I'll put it here and wait. Here and here. Okay, so since this is still cooking down, I want to cook these in here because why not? Okay, we're gonna have a green rigatoni. Alrighty, vegetable. We wait, get my cover and turn it up, and we check on what we are frying. It's coming along. Alrighty, let's cook it down some more. Get our tomatoes, take the skin off. Voila. Okay. Put this down. Okay. Then put salt. I'm gonna put this chibabini. I have to open it. Okay. And cover it up. I don't know, I want to put ginger in it. It's something that happens. Some flavors work, some don't. Got some turmeric. This is healthy, good for the brain. Okay. Cooking. Turn down the fire. Check out our combo. Open it up. Let it get boiled down. Just let up. Slowly but sure. There. And I will go get this guy. This guy will do the job. However, I am losing the flavor. Okay, get this guy in here and get tomatoes squished. Okay, we're gonna add this in here. Clever. That's how you do it. Okay, we're gonna let it sit aside and wait. Meanwhile, we have something going here. Okay, I got my spatula. This is called spatula, mingling stick. How do you call this? Help me, please. Okay, losing one noodle. Okay, let's go fire it up. Till ready, we'll be back. Alrighty, I am here and it's going down. Look at that. Yep, we gotta separate the wheat from the chaff. Exactly. Ouch. Sorry, I'm just thinking that I knocked my hand. I am looking for this. I'm gonna strain this water. You don't lose all the noodles. Okay, since we have this, we're gonna transfer this into here. Turn it off. Have you ever seen green emerald noodles? We have our sauce. Yes. We got our noodles. There is more. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen. Imagine picking only two. Okay, get quick. Alrighty, see? Now that everyone is in here, we have a noodle meeting. Alrighty, and we have our sauce. So we're gonna bring the sauce closer. And then we're gonna bring it in. This is seasoned to perfection. Exactly. Okay. Now that we have that, we're gonna go in and go in and go in and go in and go in. Yes, noodles and those green things, which I don't know how they are called. I do to see tarantula, but in English, probably bitter something. Are they bitter? Yes, very bitter. Bitter sweet, I think. And we have my saucepan over there. I'll get some of this water. Try get some sauce out. Sounds like a plan. Okay. And we noodle it out. Bon appetit. You are invited. Is salt the source of life? More like it. Because when you put it in something, it tastes way better than it should. You are the salt of life. I'll keep this, add some. Should I keep it? Maybe, maybe not. I'll save it, I don't know for when, next year, when I need it. I need to cover this, yep, and then turn it down. Let it work. Ready. Now this is for that time when you need to up your iron. If you know, you know. I like my bits warm, and you should try it. It's sweet. Bits will give you a lot of energy. Yep. Okay, got it ready. We're gonna serve it. Look at that. Okay, it is ready. Look at this. I will take some for myself. Ooh, never imagined noodles and bitter berry. They kind of go along, right? Look at that. Ooh, more bitter berries. Yep. 1 spoon to your heart. Okay. Or gut, whichever you like more. Bon appetit. Give it a try. Okay, I will try this. Let's see what happened here. The biggest combo of the year. Amen. It is hot. It is a good combo. If you put plain and bitter together, they do work. They do. That's hot. Ooh, you have no idea. Bon appetit.